Kipulit ke jela kidang penlang ke jing tokit alor ke email belapha alor ke jing kam daga kenhun king atyar ke badan live hunyungut ya ke bala ai kerteng daga lawai bapernai la penti kena menteri kitnat ki kampo yeng ba lakmen rembui uba rembui ulang ba ke jing tokit kidang ya chakmat ba nakaliang kipulit kidang persang ban lap kentaj alor ki kubor baloyo pediang ya ke siti na kate kenhun lani ban syak berngem ha kanu kenhun king atyar ha kawai pat ke siti belapha lang ba ke email so menteri reng ba kejela ukan rat ke sangma ketika kenhun king atyar kala berngam ban bentai bom ya ke LP school lada ampelaj ya unong ilam barem ke HNLC ba Julius ke Dorphang hapo ke spoterik menta ubnaya yang ba Dorphang ulah syak rai set patok hadu arsan senam nakadaw ke jingdon keti ha kabar le be ijat ya ke kena haus nam ar hajar khat nyo
didn't have that report with me. So I cannot comment on that without having the report with me. Investigation is on, the police are doing their duty. So let's see. Police are already on their job.